Dear student, today I want to discuss about simple future tense. Actually, what is simple future tense? Simple future tense, it indicates an action that will take place after the present time or in the future time, and that has no connection with the present time. Listen again. Indicates an action that will take place after the present time or in the future time, and that has no connection with the present time. Means the action which will take place in the future, that's called simple future tense. So we can write the formation of the sentence. How can we make the sentence? Here, watch the formation of the simple future tense. The formation of the simple future tense. Actually, first we have to write subject, then according to the subject shall oblique will, then verb first form or the present participle form, present form, the present form of the verb. Here we can give some examples. He will visit the Taj Mahal. He will visit the Taj Mahal. So here subject he, according to the subject he, we must write will, then verb first form of the verb visit to Taj Mahal. And we can write more examples. She will walk home. I shall go to school. Every sentence we can see according to subject, third person she. So here we must write will. According to the first person I, after I we always use the auxiliary verb shall in future simple future tense. Okay, and the main pattern of the simple future tense. Okay, subject, then according to the subject shall oblique will, verb first form. Next we are going to discuss about simple future continuous tense. Okay, then we are going to discuss about simple future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense, it also indicates an action in the future. It also indicates an action in the future that is longer in duration than another action in the future. অর্থাৎ ভবিষ্যৎকালে কোনো একটা কাজ চলবে, একটা কাজের নিরিখে আর একটা কাজ, সেটা একটা সময় ধরে চলবে, হ্যাঁ, সেটাকে আমরা বলছি ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। ইন্ডিকেটস অ্যান অ্যাকশন in the future, indicates an action in the future that is longer in duration than another action in the future. So we can watch here the formation of the future continuous tense. The form of the future continuous tense. The form of the future continuous tense. Here look, we first write subject, then according to the subject we must write will oblique shall be. Okay, so here we can write, so here we can write will be oblique shall be. Okay, shall be, and then verb plus ing, okay, তারপর সাবজেক্ট যা থাকবে তাই। So this is the structural pattern. How can we make future continuous tense? This is the base pattern. We can use this theory to make simple future continuous tense. Okay, so we give some examples here. For examples he will be walking when the man commands. When the man commands. Okay, here subject he, will be, verb plus ing, base verb walk adding ing, when the man commands. Then more examples. She will be dancing on the stage. Okay, here subject she, according to the subject will be dance, base verb with adding ing, dancing. She will be dancing on the stage. She will be dancing, verb dance plus ing. Okay, then more I can write example. I shall be, according to subject I first person, shall be as it is a future continuous tense. I shall be singing. I shall be singing. Okay. Base verb sing adding ing. I shall be singing a Tagore song. Okay. So these are the examples of future continuous tense. Next we going to discuss about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Okay. Now watch what is future perfect tense. Look what is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Very easy, you must follow the structure of the sentence. Just follow the structure of the sentence. Now we discuss about future perfect tense. It also indicates an action. It also indicates an action in the future that will have been completed, that in the future will have been completed before another time or event in the future. Indicates an action in the future that have been completed before another time or event in the future. Okay, so we have to write some formation. How can we make future perfect tense? Here formation of this tense. Look, formation means basic pattern of this tense. First subject, then according to the subject will have oblique shall have will have shall have. Next verb here third form means the third form base verb and the third form of base verb. Okay, third form we can say it past participle form. Okay, form or past participle form. Okay, past participle form. Okay, so I can give some examples. For examples here we can write she will have done. She will have done. Here subject she, according to the subject will have base verb third form done. She will have done the sum. Then we can give more examples. The man will have formed. The man will have. The man will have performed. Okay, performed. The man will have performed. His duty. his duty. Okay, so these are the examples of future perfect tense. Okay, next time I want to discuss about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's see what is future perfect continuous tense. It also so easy. You have to look just on the structure or formation of the sentence. So easily you can make any type of sentence in future perfect continuous tense. Okay, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay, future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so what is the definition of future perfect continuous tense? We must say it indicates an action in the future. It indicates an action in the future that will have been continuing until another time or event in the future. Indicates an action in the future that will have been continuing until another time or event in the future. Okay, so that will have been continuing until another time or event in the future. That's called future perfect continuous tense. So we must write the formation of this tense. You can write the formation of this tense in your notebook. Okay, what is the formation of this tense, future perfect continuous tense? Okay, let's watch. First we must have write we have to write subject according to the subject. Shall have been or will have been, shall have been or will have been, and then verb plus ing. Okay, very easy. You have to follow these rules to make future perfect continuous tense. Okay, then now we are going to discuss or give some example about future perfect continuous tense. Watch examples. Okay, he will have been swimming. He will have been swimming. He will have been swimming an hour at 5 p.m. Then I shall have been shopping. I shall have been shopping on Tuesday. Okay, these are the examples of future perfect continuous tense. So dear students, today I have already discussed about future the different types of future tense. And next I will discuss about some clauses. That's enough today. Okay, stay well and please subscribe my channel so that you can get you can get easily and my new topics about education. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.